Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys one hack that helped me change how I organize up under my kitchen sink. So if you guys are interested in how I did that and what hack I used, stay tuned. You guys, there is so much stuff up under this kitchen sink that it's just unbelievable. But I'm going to take everything out of here and I'm going to put everything back with the exception of maybe 5 or 6 bottles that belong with the pool section. And I'm going to organize this using these bins, and you're not going to believe all the room that I had left after I put this stuff back up under the cabinet. So you guys stay tuned because you gotta see this, because even I was shocked. Let's take this overboard now. I'm just using a microfiber towel and some Dawn soap to get all these little stains up that the cans have left, just by sitting, so I can start with a clean slate. See guys, I'm just using 3 plastic bins. Now these bins I got from Home Goods, and they were just left over from the refrigerator organization video that I did a while back. So I decided to use them up under here, and I'm putting everything that I took out of there back in here, and I'm only going to place them in those plastic bins. Like I told you guys earlier, I was shocked just organizing your stuff goes a long way. It just really does. So you guys stay tuned so you guys can finish seeing the end product. I'm just showing you guys what I use on the hardwood floors for scratches, because somebody did ask me that in the last video, and that's just some old school stuff that I use. And I know a lot of people go out and buy 5 or 6 products for each item that they buy just to do an organization video. I didn't want to do that. This is real life. I'm not about to go buy a whole bunch of stuff that I am not using right now. This is the stuff we truly use, and I wanted to just take what I had already and organize that. So that's what I'm showing you guys in this video. I ended up putting that Cascade and the big giant bottle of Rejuvenex in the closet because it was just too big. It just didn't look right to me. So I'm putting everything that has to do with the carpet, the furniture on that left hand side. I'm putting everything that has to do with our kitchen stove, cleaning the cabinets and all that stuff in that middle bin there, and everything that has to do with dishwashing liquid, the dishwasher, and just soaps in general. And then I'm going to put a little plate in the front there in the middle for our everyday stuff that we use.
I'm just confess, I'm a best for you.
real quick, I want to show you what was left after I took everything out of the cabinet. With the exception of those bottles there, which half of those are going in the trash, this is what you have. Look at all that room that's left. This is just one of the cabinets that's by the back door. I had already organized this cabinet. All right, guys, hopefully you all enjoyed the video. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And until the next video, bye, guys.